Hi everyone, my name is Vikas. I am an investment banker. I hold over 12 years of experience working in the investment banking. Okay. So today I'm making this short video for all of those who are looking to build their career in the field of investment banking. So this video will also be relevant for those who are looking to switch their profiles into investment banking and are currently working in the other fields of finance. Okay. So in this short video, I'm going to talk about what are the skill sets which is required to become an investment banker. Then what are the prerequisites for any investment banking job. Okay, so then I will take you through the entire interview process, like what are the stages which is involved in the interview process. And finally, I'm going to review a investment banking course based on certain parameters. Okay, so now I'm quickly jumping on the point number one, where I'm going to talk about what are the skill set which is required to become an investment banker. So first thing is basically about your conceptual knowledge. You should have a good understanding of basics of finance. You should understand the financial system and financial market. Then the second point is basically about your understanding of the financial statement. You should be able to understand the three financial statement of a company, like the profit and loss account, balance sheet, cash flow, and how these statements are basically interlinked with each other. Okay, so then you should know about like how to work on different kind of financial models, like the DCF, LBO, and the merger and an acquisition model. Okay, so then the next point is basically about your understanding of the marketing collaterals. So when you work on any investment banking deal, so you have to prepare some marketing collateral or the marketing materials. Okay, so these are like the pitch deck, CIM, teaser, or the management presentation. So you should have a good understanding of all these documents and what is the purpose of preparing each of these documents. Okay, so then coming to the next point, which is basically about your Excel proficiency. You should be very well versed with like how to work on Excel. Okay, so you should know how to work on VLOOKUP, index match, pivot table, data tools, and macros. Okay, so then coming to the presentation skills. So when you will be working on any particular deal, okay, so you'll have to basically present your findings to like a different kind of counterparties. Either it will be to your senior investment banking team or to your client, or maybe to the investors or the other counterparties. Okay, so your presentation skills are also very important. Okay, so then coming to the communication skills. So communication skills is also very much important because you'll have to deal with like different kind of counterparties on a day-to-day basis. Okay, so these are the skill set which is required to become an investment banker. So now I'm coming to like what are the prerequisites for any investment banking job. So what are the things that they basically look into you before they basically proceed with the interview process. Okay, so the first thing is basically about your academic background, like what kind of college or the university that you're coming from, then how much you have scored in your post graduation or the recently completed post graduation. Okay, so then coming to the next thing, basically about, do you have the desired skill set for this particular investment banking job opportunity, like basics to advanced Excel skills, presentation skills, financial analysis skills, and the problem solving skills. So in case you meet both of these parameters, so then you'll be selected for any interview process. Okay, so let's assume that like you have basically met both of these parameters and you have been shortlisted for the interview process. So for the interview process, primarily there are three stages. The first stage is basically about your case study. You'll have to work on, so they basically can ask you to work on industry overview, financial analysis, or maybe on Excel test. Okay, so in case you clear your case study, so then you'll be moving toward the technicals round, wherein they can ask you a few questions about the basics of finance, like the accounting or ratio related questions can be asked. Then they can ask you specific questions to the like the investment banking, like the what is WACC, what is beta, what is DCF, terminal value, EBITDA, LTM, enterprise value, and the equity value. Okay, so let's assume you have cleared the case study round and the technical round. So then you'll be moving towards the final round of the HR. Okay, so wherein they will basically check your attitude and your behavioral aspects, and they will also be checking your soft skills, such as like how you communicate with the HR and how much confident you are. Okay, so in case you clear all of these three rounds, then you'll be selected for any investment banking opportunity. Okay, this is the entire interview process that I've just taken you through. So now I'm going to review a investment banking course based on certain parameters. Okay, I'm going to review an investment banking course offered by IIM Skills. Okay, so this is one of the best investment banking course which is basically available online. Okay, so if we look into this particular course, so like what are the course highlights? So this course basically comes with 300 plus hours of course delivery, 175 plus hours of practical assignments, 125 plus hours of live plus doubt solving classes, 100% job guarantee, 4 capstone projects, 24/7 support, money back guarantee, job portal exclusive access, 1-to-1 mentorship, 7 global accredited certificates, then lifetime LMS access that you'll be getting. Okay, so then coming to like what all they are covering on the curriculum part. So you'll be learning from introduction to the investment banking and core services, core finance and accounting for bankers, Excel and PowerPoint mastery for investment banker, financial modeling techniques and applications, business valuation and deal structuring, advanced investment banking practices, AI, automation and emerging tools in IB, final capstone and industry simulation. So all of these curriculum are basically included in this course. So now coming to so there will be like other tools will also be covered, like the Excel, PowerPoint, Python, Power BI, and so much will be there to learn. Okay. So along with that, so you'll also be able to sharpen your job interview skills. Like you'll be able to learn about the resume building, mock interview preparation, LinkedIn profile building, communication skills, business case studies, and a lot more other things to learn related to your job building skills. Okay. So then coming to how you can basically take up this particular course from IIM Skills. So this course basically comes with 3 tailored options depending upon your requirement. So the first course is basically known as the self-paced program. So in this particular program, so you'll be able to complete this course at your own pace. So you'll be provided with the access to the pre-recorded videos so that you can complete as per your requirement, as per your availability. Okay, so 1 year of LMS access that will be provided to you in this program, job support, placement portal access, and 2 financial model templates worth $600 will be provided to you. So all of these things are basically available for a fee of 29,900 rupees plus 18% GST. So now coming to the next program, which is known as the master program. So in this particular program, so you are going to attend all those sessions live. Okay, so these are going to be instructor-led live classes. We'll be getting lifetime LMS access, job support, placement portal access, 5 financial model templates worth $2,000, WhatsApp group mentorship, paid internship, LinkedIn profile optimization. So all of these things are basically covered in the master program. So this course is basically available for a fee of 49,900 plus 18% GST. So then coming to the most prevalent job guarantee PG program offered by IIM Skills. So in this particular program, so along with the features that you're getting in the master program, so you'll be getting 10 plus financial model templates worth $5,000. Then WhatsApp group, one-to-one mentorship is something that you'll be getting in this course. Then paid internship, then LinkedIn profile optimization, work from home opportunities, global placement guarantee, leadership, lounge access, campus immersion, personal branding toolkit, international freelancing opportunities, and then 50% fee refund if you are not placed anywhere after the completion of this course. Okay. So all of these features are available for a fee of 1,49,900 plus 18% GST. Okay. So this is one of the best investment banking course which is basically available online. Okay, now I'm going to review this particular course based on certain parameters which are listed on the left. Okay, so if we talk about the course depth, so this is going to be a very good course. Excel skills that you're going to learn in this course, live sessions will be there, live doubt session will be there, internship support, placement support you will be getting. The course fee is something, if you go with the PG program, so then you'll be paying something on the higher side for that reason. So I've just rated them as 0. So course duration will be very good. Money back guarantee that you are getting in this course. LMS access you'll be getting for the lifetime if you go with the master course or with the PG program. Okay. So based on these parameters, so this course has scored 9 out of 10. Okay. So everything is very well covered in this particular course. So you can opt for any version. So there are 3 versions under which this course can be taken. So depending upon your requirements, so you can opt for any particular version. But this is going to be a very good course. Okay, so this is my personal opinion. So in case you have any other query related to this course, so you can just ask me in the comment section. I hope you will like this video, and thanks for watching.